Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add Firebase to the Flutter project. So whether you are building any type of application or you just want to add some backend services, Firebase is the way to go. So first let's get to the Firebase console, and if you don't have any Firebase account, sign up to the account and it's free. So just click on add project and give a name. And accept the services and just click on continue. And if you want to add some of the services within Google Analytics, you can enable this option and accept the Google Analytics terms and conditions and just click on create project. Till that time, just create one of the project. So I will create one new project. Click on Flutter new project. Just give a name. Here you have to give the name. After the project is ready, just have to add the files into the application. So just click on the Android and let's check for the package name. Android app src main, or you can check in a build.gradle. Just copy this and SHA key is also optional. If you have, you can enter. Then I'm just running my application. And in a second step, we just have to download this file. So download this, and we have to add this file into the Android app build.gradle Android app folder, and then click on next. And here we have to configure into the Android build.gradle. So we will copy this one by one. So first I'm copying this Google.services file which I have downloaded from the Firebase console, and add these into the Android under app folder. That's it. After that, we have to copy this, go to the system.gradle and put this file here. If you are on a new Flutter SDK, like 3.19 and up, so you have to update this file into the system.gradle, not in a under app build.gradle, because it is migrated. After that, I'm copying this, and let's check for the Android app build.gradle. Let's close these brackets, and com.android.application we already have, so I'm not doing this. After in a dependencies, just go to the Android build.gradle. I'm copying this complete code, and in Android build.gradle, in this file. After adding, click on the next. Yes, we have added Firebase for the Android, and we will check if it is running. But we have to do some configuration into the main file also. So we have to add some of the dependencies of Firebase here, like Firebase core, Firebase. And we will check for the latest version in pub.dev. We can add Firebase core, Firebase auth for the authentication, or cloud Firestore if we have if you use the Firestore services. So now I'm just adding this. Just check for the latest version and run Flutter public. Till then, we will add or initialize Firebase here. I need to import Firebase to library. I was not getting suggestions, so I'm just copying this directly. Yeah. Now let's try to run our project. Let's see what are the functionalities we have in Firebase. We can check for the crash analytics, cloud Firestore, and authentications. So these are the products or the functions we can use from the Firebase. So these are the sign-in methods provided by the Firebase. Like we can use email and password, Google, Facebook, login with Facebook, Apple, SMS, multi-factor authentication, and many more things we have here. So till my project is running, I am telling you what are the changes we made till now. First, we have add the google.json file. We have downloaded from the Firebase console. So this file, and I put in Android under app. Under app folder, we have put this file, and in Android build.gradle, we have no changes here. And Android app build.gradle, we have just added dependencies and Google services for, and in our system.gradle, we have added this Google services file with the version. So yeah, these are the little changes made. And in the main file, we have just initialize our Firebase so that we can use the Firebase services for the authentication, for cloud storing, to use the data base, and also we can use the push notification from the Firebase. And in my upcoming videos, in future videos, I will let you know how to integrate the push notification with the Firebase in our Flutter application. So before running our project, I just forgot to add one thing in main file, that we have to initialize widget flutter binding, in short initialization. Otherwise it will throw the error. So just add this line of code before the Firebase initialization. And if you have enabled Firebase analytics, so you have to add one line of code here in the dependencies. So yeah, just add these two lines of code. Yes, and just run up your project and it will work. So our project has been successfully installed. That means we have successfully integrated the Firebase into our Flutter project. So and in the upcoming videos, I will show you how to use the Firebase services. Like we can use the push notification and storing data into the cloud Firestore, or we can use for the authentication purpose like Google signing and sign in methods like the with the OTP and two-factor authentication. So in upcoming videos, we will learn how to use the Firebase services. For now, we have successfully integrate the Firebase with our Flutter project. So that's it for the today's lecture. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And for more Flutter tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment below. And let's see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.